Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Steam Deck error code mmcblk0p. The error reads unrecognized device. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to access their micro SD card through desktop mode on the Steam Deck, often right after inserting the card or using it with mmcblk. According to our research, the error likely happens when the SD card becomes corrupted. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to format the SD card using the KDE Partition Manager app. Simply open the KDE Partition Manager and select your SD card and format it entirely as ext4. Once done, check if the error still comes. Please keep in mind to back up any data you have on your SD card. If the error still comes, then try opening the Start menu and type Disk. From there, open the Disk utility and see if the SD card shows up. If it does, try formatting it again and check for the error. If the error still persists, then try reformatting the SD card on a PC, laptop, or even a phone. Make sure to perform a full format instead of a quick one. Then insert the card back into the Steam Deck and check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, try reformatting the card again. Some users shared that reformatting it more than once helped them fix the issue. So we suggest you also try reformatting again and see if this helps. If the error still doesn't resolve, then the SD card might be bad. So try using a different SD card and see if this helps with the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.